Are you curious about the journey behind producing these giant banana bunches? Let's start exploring from care and cultivation all the way to harvest. After a long growing period, the banana plants have developed enough to move on to the next stage. That stage is pruning and care, one of the most important steps in determining the final quality of the crop. For heavy banana bunches, farmers trim excess flowers to help concentrate nutrients and improve fruit quality. After pruning, the bananas move on to the bagging stage, where protective covers are applied to prevent insect damage. After 4 months, the golden moment arrives to begin the banana harvest. Have you ever wondered how farmers harvest bananas across such vast plantations? Keep watching once the banana bunches are cut down. They are secured onto a cable system running throughout the plantation and transported to the collection area without damaging the fruit. Are you impressed by this banana harvesting method? A sharp blade slices cleanly through the stem, while another person supports the heavy banana bunch, keeping it balanced so the entire load never touches the ground. Banana bunches stretching up to 1.5 meters long are carefully lowered to avoid impact and bruising. As the bunch separates from the plant, its weight forces the harvester to put in all their strength, keeping it from twisting or hitting the ground. Right there in the plantation, the banana bunch is gently placed onto a layer of prepared leaves, then quickly moved to the collection point for sorting and transport. Next comes the transportation stage, where banana bunches are moved out of the plantation using an overhead cable system. After that, the bananas are separated into hands, washed to remove sap, and any substandard fruit is discarded. Finally, the banana hands are neatly packed into boxes, ready to be transported to markets, factories, or storage facilities to continue their journey to consumers. After a long journey, the bananas arrive at the factory to begin the second washing stage. The banana hands are submerged in clean water to remove sap, dirt, and any impurities clinging to the peel. A gentle circulating water flow cleans the fruit without causing scratches, preserving its natural shape. This is a crucial step to ensure quality before sorting and packaging. So, have you ever wondered how those banana trunks are handled afterward? A tractor-mounted mulcher is the most efficient solution. A 180 horsepower engine delivers power through a 540 revolutions per minute (PTO), spinning a steel mulching drum at 2,200 revolutions per minute to shred thick banana stems into organic mulch. This returns nutrients to the soil, restoring fertility and preparing the land for the next growing season. If you're interested in the behind-the-scenes process of banana pruning and harvesting, follow the channel to explore it in detail.